Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we've got the Fastrax shocks, damp shocks, and these are the FTTA-014B. Got these from Dave RD Models, so link will be in the description below. If you don't see it on the website that you want, just give them a ring and they'll get it you in. They pretty much get everything. So we're going to be fitting these to the TT-02 chassis, so hopefully we'll not be doing that anymore. So let's grab these out and see what we get with them. So you get 4 of these really nice shocks. They got nice springs on them, and hopefully they should match pretty well with the body shell and the rest of the parts that we've got on it. So we get them. You get the little brass inserts and a set of screws with hex heads on instead of the weird screws that Tamiya decided to use. So it should be quite easy to swap these over. And just quickly looking at the length of them, they do look right. So let's get you in for a close-up look and see how easy it is to swap these out. Right, so let's start with rear ones. So first off, we're going to need to remove the top and bottom screws. And on these, we've got the screw with the bushing kind of built in. And then we can keep them in the box. Then you want to get one of your new screws and one at bushings, then get one of your shocks and slide it through. And I'm going for the stock mounting holes, which is the innermost, so you don't want to over tighten them. Make sure you've still got some movement in there. And then same as the stock shocks, we're going to go for the uppermost position on the rear mount. So they do seem to fit well, and the ride height seems good. It seems same as the stock. Now I'll just check. Yeah, you could get away with using the stock screws if you need to for any reason. They do feel slightly loose, and give you some idea. So they're pretty much exactly the same, just damped. And again, we're going for the innermost on the top mount and the uppermost on the bottom mount. And I really wish Tamiya would swap to the hex heads like most of the brands out there now. So we got them in position. So let's see what it's like. So yeah, you can see the difference it makes. The front bounces away all over, the back just stops. So if we flip the RC round, now these front ones, these might be a bit more interesting to do, but I think we should be able to get them off and the new ones on. So we'll start with removing the original shock, and then same as the rear, we're going to go for the uppermost position. And these really do look nice. So that's how we're going to mount them. And it doesn't seem to have affected the ride height at all. And it is nice that these shocks are fully threaded, so fully adjustable. Right, let's get us last two bushings. And then what I would do, just to save you looking for them if you ever need to or want to put it back to stock for whatever reason. So if you gather all the stock screws, and we'll stick them in the packaging. And that should keep them nice and safe. So, yeah, that is a massive difference, but they definitely seem far improved on the stock Tamiya shocks. So, let's put the body shell on it, make sure it's still sat where it should be. Yeah, pretty much looks perfect. Right, let's wrap this one up. So, that's the Fastrax shocks from RD Models at Chesterfield. They fit really nice, they look really nice, easy conversion, and I think these are less than £30 for all four. So yeah, definitely a nice upgrade for the TT-02 chassis. So there you have it, there's the Fastrax shocks fitted on the TT-02 Tamiya chassis. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family. I'll catch you guys again in the next one.